DataFrame can't be iterated through, getting following error. Tuple indices must be integers or slices, not str. I've been trying to debug my code for the last 30 minutes to no avail. Maybe you can help? The error lies writing line 17, but I'm truly clueless to why it's happening. So, I'm using a dictionary in order to store the data that my function is _non-trivial_reverse_number returns, which is a boolean type. I iterate through it and insert all of the values from 0 to 1100. I then insert my dictionary into a DataFrame with the pandas library. Then I iterate through my DataFrame in order to retrieve the count of the values that are set to true. But the problem is that row non-trivial doesn't seem to be working, even though I use the same function on a different dictionary and DataFrame set. Expected result, n equals 2. What'd I get?
Iterated returns a tuple. If you need to access the index of the column you want, you can do it with just a comment. You don't need to loop the rows. You can just do
Why no one mentioned that he can unpack the tuple in the for loop like? Try.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.